Good morning, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. Today we are doing a super simple few ingredient breakfast casserole. We're doing ham and cheese hash brown casserole. Really only requires 5 ingredients, 6 ingredients, and you just throw it into your baking dish, bake it, and it's a filling breakfast. Makes for good leftovers. Let's just jump in. I'm gonna put the ingredients and the steps in the description below. And I am a firm believer in using up the things you have on hand when it comes to meal planning. So this recipe is doing that for me today. In our family, we somehow end up with multiple open bags of the same things in the freezer all the time. I have like 1/3 a bag of square hash browns and 1/2 a bag of shredded hash browns. Friends, I'm putting it all in. All right, that's probably about almost a full bag of hash browns. I have some ham cubes. We have a big bag of frozen ham cubes. I am going to do probably about a cup or so of frozen ham cubes. It's toppled over just a little bit. It's totally fine. I lied, I'm putting in an extra 1/2 cup there. I may add a little bit more here once we get stirring things. I am going to do about a cup of sour cream. And then I have a can of cream of potato soup. I have been known to use cream of chicken soup before, so if you don't have cream of potato, you can easily substitute it with cream of chicken. Then we just mix this together. If you have some cooked bacon, leftover bacon, or some sausage you want to throw in, you can always add that into this as well. I'm going to put some sharp shredded cheddar cheese. About a cup of sharp cheddar cheese into the potatoes and mix that in. We're gonna grab our baking dish. I've pre-sprayed my baking dish here. We're gonna go ahead and just put all of our potato mixture in. I think I needed a bigger baking dish. And we're gonna sprinkle extra cheddar cheese on top. We are gonna bake this in the oven at 425 degrees. Probably for a good 20 to 25 minutes. We want to make sure all the frozen potatoes and ham gets heated thoroughly and nice and hot, and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Our cheesy ham hash brown casserole is all done. I am going to scoop up some of this. I am going to do an English muffin with some jelly and some strawberry jam to have with this morning. This is perfect for brunch, weekend breakfast, taken care of for the whole weekend. Y'all, thank you so much for joining us today. Feel free to head over to In the Kitchen with Grace 1 on Pinterest. I've got all of our recipes there for you to pin and save for your meal planning. And if you're looking for some other breakfast ideas, be sure to check out our breakfast playlist.